Hello everyone, I'm Sachin Kalia. Welcome to my channel Cloud Pipers. Here I have already published few video related to Azure DevOps and Terraform. So I would highly recommend you to go through with all those video demonstration for your knowledge purpose. Moving ahead, today's topic related to Azure Monitor where I'll be sharing how can we send or transmit diagnostic settings to send platform logs and the metrics to the different destination. In my video demonstration, I'll be opting in Log Analytic Workspace. So let's get started. So if I say platform logs at the bigger umbrella within Azure Monitor, which includes Azure Activity Log and the resource logs as well as Azure Active Directory logs, and which provides detailed diagnostic and the audited information related to Azure resources and Azure platform. Though platform metrics are collected by default and typically stored into the Azure Monitor metrics database, but in our today demonstration, I'll be explaining you how can we send all those activity log and the administrative logs towards Log Analytic Workspace. So let's get started and jump into the demo. Here for today's purpose, I have already created my Log Analytic Workspace, right, which persists into inside RG. You can create a Log Analytic Workspace as well. I tell you the way. Log Analytic Workspace, go here and click over here. Once you click that, it opens a window to and just fill all the required details, the resource group, the name you want to keep it, and the region where you want to provision it, right? For now I won't be jumping it into, because the primary objective is to exchange the information about how can we send diagnostic settings for a subscription towards Log Analytic Workspace. So for that purpose I have created my Log Analytic Workspace. Here we can see that we do have Azure Monitor. At the left pane, you can also see the Azure Monitor, and into the global search, you can also look for this option, right? So once I open Azure Monitor here, I do have activity log. Activity log generally keeps all the information related to the administrative actions happening within Azure subscription. Here you can see diagnostic settings. Once I open that, and we do have add diagnostic setting which has information related to administrative things, security, service health, recommendation, as auto scale, and the resource health, right? As you can see, just talk to the add diagnostic setting link. I have already created a diagnostic setting which is sending an information towards storage account. Let's add one more which sends an entire logs towards Log Analytic Workspace. So here we have to keep some name, send subs in logs, subscription logs, and I want to keep all of these. Here, as you can see, we do have three options: send to Log Analytics, archive to storage account, which we have seen. How can we enable that? The stream to event hubs, but I am interested into this. Once I click on the checkbox, it opens a new two drop downs. I have opted, I do have only one subscription with me, Visual Studio Enterprise, and I do have one Log Analytic Workspace. In your case, you would have yours, right? So after selecting all these options, click on to the save. It should not take more than a, yeah, it has been succeeded. Once you come back, you see that we do have two options. One is sending information towards storage account and the another sending subscription log towards the log analytic workspace. So how can we verify all this together? Generally, it takes couple of minutes, right? 5 to 10 minutes to reflect entire information and the activity log which is happening within Azure subscription. But I have already completed that. But you have to wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes generally. This is my observation actually. And if I click here, right, prior to this, let me go to the monitor and identify, do we have any activity log? Yes, as you can see, we do have certain logs. Once I click on this, so this is the summary: operation time, create or update resource diagnostic settings, right? And if I see any correlation ID related to this, let me find. As you can see, we do have correlation ID. Generally, it is unique. Let me copy this, and we will see, does it persist into specific log analytic workspace or not. So if I open log analytic workspace, here you just require to go into the middle of the pane, into the general settings. We do have logs option. It opens a window where we can perform Kusto query, and Kusto query is a log analytic workspace query, and it is a composition of Splunk QL, SQL, PowerShell, and Bash. And as you can see, we do have log management. Here we can see our Azure activity which I am interested in. Once I click here, it should bring all those details related to our event or the administrative actions being happening within subscription. As you can see, we do have enough, but I'm interested in, so this is the syntax to write your query. I'm interested in correlation ID, which is equivalent to this. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, we do have two action related to correlation ID, and both of them performed around 12:56 p.m. today, right? And as you can see, it has entire detail related to the subscription, the correlation ID, which we have kept it here. The activity status was start and the success, and the administrative category was administrative, right? The caller IP was the caller IP, right? This is how you can easily identify in those scenario where you see something malicious has happened and you want to identify what was your caller IP. So there are plenty of information that you can dig into, and if you click here, then it allows you to give you a plenty of beautiful way to identify each and every column. How does it look like? So this is an objective of the demonstration. You can dig into the details. This is also achievable through the ARM template. So into the upcoming video, I will exchanging you how can we enable through the ARM template. How can we enable diagnostic setting for a subscription? The same way you can enable for the Azure resources. Right? So thank you for listening this, and I hope you all of you are doing good. Thank you.